My name is Devin Smith, and this short 5-minute video is meant to show you the teacher dashboard of Desmos.com. By the end of this video, hopefully you'll be able to make a class in Desmos and also be able to assign activities to your classes in Desmos. The first thing that you'll want to do is head to teacher.desmos.com. From there, you'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. You can create an account by selecting the green button at the top right corner. You can sign in with Google and it'll sync with your Google account, or you can sign up with another email. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Sign in with Google and set up with one of my accounts. From there, it takes you to your teacher dashboard. If you want to assign activities to classes, you first have to set up your classes. From the left toolbar menu, select Manage Classes. There'll be a blue Add New Class button in the top right. I'm going to add a new class by selecting that button. You can import classes from Google Classroom if you use that learning management system, or you can create your own class manually. We'll call our class Test 1. Add class. From there, you can share your class code with your students. You can tell them to go to student.desmos.com and use that code to log in. There's also a direct link that you can share with them so that they can log in from Desmos. Now, if you want to delete a class, you can click the 3 dots and deactivate it. You can also add co-teachers, and if you made an error or if you want to change the class name, you can select Edit Class Name. You can also access students' activity history by clicking the View Activity History button. Since we don't have any activities assigned, it won't show us an activity history. So let's add an activity. You might want to play around with creating your own custom activities, but for right now, we're going to practice adding activities by finding one that's already made for us. I'm going to select the most popular button from the left toolbar, and I'm going to select the first activity that I see. Will it hit the hoop? Now, if I play around with Desmos, when I click the plus sign for will it hit the hoop, it says I can add it to my collections. Collections are like folders where you can add activities. Let's say you teach multiple courses. You could create collections for each of your courses and add the different activities to your collections. If I click the 3 dots, I can share this activity with someone else. So if I have a team that I'm working with or a PLC, I can share this activity with them so they can take a look at it. If I want to add it to my classes, I'm going to click on the activity. From here, it has a bunch of information. It also has a preview so that you can preview the activity. This is the student view, what your students will see. And once I've decided that I like the activity, I'm going to click the Assign button. There's a drop-down menu where you can assign it to your classes, or you can assign a single session code. Because I created my class, I'm going to click Assign, and I'm going to assign it to my Test 1 class. So one more time, I click the Assign button, Test 1, and I'm going to assign it. Once I've assigned it, beneath the Assign button, it shows which sessions I've added this activity to. If I select View Dashboard, it takes me directly to the activity and I can actually see my students' progress in real time. Or if I click the 3 little dots, I have the ability to access the student link. So essentially, if I click this button and I copy this link and share it with my students, it'll take them directly to the activity. They should also be able to access the activity by using their class code. If they go to student.desmos.com, sign in with their class code, their activities will pop up for them and they just have to find the correct activity. So you can either share the name of the activity or the direct link with them so that they can access. And that's how you assign classes and create classes in Desmos.